Yeah, let's go check again with Springtrap. Sorry guys, we did not do the fireworks. Maybe next year. Still with the game. He was playing last time again. Even when I post a new video, he's playing nothing. Does nothing. This thing is trash. Does nothing, guys. What the hell are you doing again? Just playing in my animation. How would you move that control? That control make me get out of my game. Flip you. Talking to the random people. These those works. Actually, I'm not sticking to imagination to people. His name is Spring Bonnie. Just like me, but I'm Springtrap. Yeah. I'm gonna flip and kill you with this gun. Can you stop playing your animation? Please? Thank you. Now. I can't die. Oh, you stupid one. I'm not stupid. I already know that. Just trying to see if that thing just took off. This potion that I drink will never take off. Hey guys, so he went somewhere. I'm gonna steal his camera because I'm little Freddy. I look derpy. Hey, give that camera back. Sorry guys, this little kid. I need to babysit him. But he always do big trouble stuff. He will make a mess. Here you go, your camera. Thanks. I'm gonna record you until when I can't. Stop, you're gonna make me lose. Fine, whatever. I'm just gonna put the camera right here. Okay, guys. I'm back over here. I still did one more time. Because I'm a naughty little kid. I'm supposed to be naughty. Eyes are blue. I'm gonna get you. I look derpy. I told you, stop with the camera, kid. Sorry, guys. I'm Blue Freddy, and this little kid does not stop getting camera, doing mess and stuff like that. I'm sorry. Purple Foxy. Why is that little kid being savage today? Did I scare you? Maybe not. Okay, that's scary. Well, it's not scary for you guys. He pop ups in any time. Did I scare you this time? Well, that's a rip. Can you stop teleporting? Gordon Frey, I don't know where are you right now. Yeah. Oh, come on, the puppet again. What did you just say to me? That's scary. This camera. How much people are seeing? I don't know, maybe 1,000. I have no idea. You can see my eye. I'm counting on you, but whatever. So these are not doing nothing for today. Oh, I'm sure I am. I'm gonna show you what we're not gonna do today. No, never mind. You can continue playing. I have no idea, guys, for the next video I'm gonna do. Tell me in the comments what next video should I do with. I gotcha. Maybe I will do that next year. I have no idea. So do with us. Or you guys could tell us comments. Everything what you want, we could do it. Theirs. But not 3 a.m. because all animatronics sleep at that time. So yeah. Sometimes I stay awake, but I don't want to do that. Yeah. So told us what to do tomorrow. Okay, guys. Yeah. And I'm watching you guys through the night to the day. I want to see you guys typing. So, guys, it's nothing about nothing, and I'm just gonna go to sleep. You guys can see if anyone robs something. Can you guys tell me in the comments, so we'll find out who was. Okay? And I'm watching you with my nose. Please tell me. I'm gonna need to figure it out. Next video, I might fight them or go like, boom, kick them. It better not be the little Freddy. So. Guys, no one knows me. You better not tell them. I will get hit in the face, and I don't want that. Please, guys, comment, subscribe, bell, thumbs up, please. Give me a high five, and I'll see you in the next video.